Beyond Meat is being sued in a class action lawsuit saying it does not have the protein that it does. I'm JJTP, a lawyer, not your lawyer, and I told you so. I've always been suspicious of this fake meat my sister-in-law has been trying to get me to eat. But back to the story. Todd Miller, the lead plaintiff in this case, filed an action in federal court in New York saying that Beyond Meat mislabels its product as having more protein than they actually did. Miller claims that testing the product shows that it does not have the protein quantity that it says on the packaging, and hence it's false, deceptive, and misleading advertising. He alleges that Beyond Meat is trying to capitalize on people's desire for protein-packed plant products, and that a reasonable person who reads the label, which he claims has false information, would believe that information. If this was the case, it may be a breach of express warranty as well as a violation of the New York General Business Law. Miller has asked for a jury trial. He's asked for monetary damages, statutory damages, and punitive damages for both him and the class he hopes to lead. This is not the only class action that Beyond Meat's up against. In Illinois, another group filed another class action challenging the quality and quantity of protein in their products. In that case, the plaintiffs take issue with the nitrogen testing process for protein percentages. They accuse Beyond Meat of unjust enrichment, violation of the Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act, multiple state Consumer Fraud Act, and the Illinois Consumer Fraud and Deceptive Business Practices Act. PETA's even getting in on suing Beyond Meat, which doesn't even make sense because it's not meat. They filed a class action lawsuit alleging that Beyond Meat violated the Telephone Consumer Protection Act by sending unsolicited text messages. You can never make PETA happy. Have you tried Beyond Meat? Does it meet your protein needs? Let me know in the comments. Like, follow, and share so you can learn more information about things like